This is HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok.
From the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
Sawasdee krab. Today is Monday, January 9th of 2023. This is Radio Thailand's Midday News Hour. I'm Kachang with Tajid. Making the national headlines this lunchtime. The National Anti-Corruption Commission is conducting an inquiry into the 33 million baht contract for the redesign of Bang Su Grand Station's nameplate and logo. Meanwhile, the State Railway of Thailand is issuing measures to facilitate convenience for existing railway users who are having to shift to using Krungthep Aphiwat Central Station from January 19th onward. Looking at the global scene, supporters of Brazil's former President Jair Bolsonaro ransacked the country's Congress, presidential palace, and Supreme Courts. On the business agenda, the number of people in Thailand using all rail services over 5 peak travel days during the New Year's holiday period reaches a new high. Our feature, Thailand in Perspective, today is called Great Potential of Thailand for Food Production of High Quality. We'll now take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail.
National News. Brought to you by Daisy, the tri-language learning garden for early years and families.
And once again, welcome to the Midday News Hour. Now live streaming from our Facebook, Radio